What's up guys, ParallaxOX here, and today we're going to do a Snackbreak problem, which is basically a loop problem, where you just fix a problem that someone just makes up. This week's problem, or well, it's not this week's, but write a program that prints the numbers from 1 to 100. But for multiples of 3, print fizz instead of the number, and for multiples of 5, print buzz. For numbers that are multiple of both 3 and 5, print fizz buzz instead. If the number is not divisible by either number, print out the number. That's basically what we're going to do today. So, opening Roblox Studio. Let's insert a script. Why does this what is happening? Can I open? There we go. I'm just gonna get rid of this script. It was from another video. So first we're gonna put a for loop. So it would print all the numbers. So for I equals 1, 100, 1, basically going in order. It'd be that then where to start at, number in that increment. Put an end here. I thought it would do it for me, but apparently it didn't want to. So first, we gotta see if it's divisible by 15, because you gotta start with the biggest numbers first. So if I is this thing, sees if there's a remainder. So if it was divided by 30, there'd be 2 with a remainder of 0. So this would execute. If it was like 31, that would be 2 with a remainder of 1, and it wouldn't execute. So then we just print fizzbuzz like the thing says. Print fizzbuzz. And then we do an else if I is divisible by 5, because I just like going in greatest to least. That's not the right symbol. Then equals 0. Then we print buzz like it says. Print buzz. What did I do there? Somehow I got the thing reversed. That sounds like fun. No. Delete this. Why do I have to hit the wrong button sometimes? Then we're gonna have another else if. Else if I remainder of 3 equals 0. Then space, why did I not hit space? Then print fizz. Print fizz. And then else, not else if, but just else. So if it doesn't work, well, if any of all these things are false, just put else print I. And then if we just run this game, if you just look down here, there will be divisible by 3 and 5 that will get switched, as you can tell by the bottom numbers. And there's all these things from other scripts, and as I just scroll through them, you can see that some of them are switch if they're divisible, yada yada. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.